Hello, I'm in a 2016 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your trip counts for trip A and B. So first you'll start the vehicle, and then as this all loads, we're going to be using these buttons. So your menu, up or down, and then your setting. So here, I'm just pushing menu to toggle. So I'm in trip now, I'll go up or down. So trip 2, trip 1, and again, I'm just using these. And then we're going to use this button to clear. So I'm on trip 1, so I'm just pressing and holding, and that did it. So all I did was just push and hold that. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day. And then that menu just goes back.